Good Wednesday morning. I'm Meteorologist Ted Schmidt. We're enjoying some sunshine again today. Some thin clouds overhead, but in time those will slowly break up. We'll have additional sunshine going into the afternoon. So a sunnier day, progressively speaking. But the downside of this is it's going to be the coldest day of the week. Temperatures will only make their way into the mid, maybe upper teens as we move along through the rest of our Wednesday. But again, the saving grace here is that there's not much wind. The winds are much lighter today than they were on Tuesday, and they will remain light throughout the day today. So here's our Gwaltney Group camera. A little bit of steam out there, not much movement. You can tell that there's not much wind. The steam is wafting up and slowly drifting by, and so we have a nice peaceful morning in store for us. We'll have a lot of sunshine moving through the area later today. Right now it's we're looking at temperatures in the single digits, on our way to the teens later today, which is almost 10 degrees below the seasonal average, but you know, we have those ups and downs, and we're gonna have one of those downs today, probably the coldest high temperature until sometime maybe even next week, maybe a while beyond that even. But right now 16 the expected high. Sunset 5:14 this afternoon. Winds very light, if not calm at times. 6 degrees at the airport. Some sunshine. We see some of those clouds coming in from the north. Those will be with us for a big part of the morning hours. We'll be in and out of the clouds for that span of time, again with sunnier skies later on. 3 below the wind chill. Air pressure is steady, 30.46 inches of mercury. It's below zero in Owatonna, 2 below zero there. 5 above in Winona, 6 in Rochester, 5 in Mason City, 7 in Northwood, Iowa. There's high pressure to our north. That's going to sit in the area for the next couple of days, bringing some quiet, tranquil sunshine. Here's Futurecast. Sunshine throughout the day today with a few clouds at first. Tomorrow, sun, and then late in the day, some clouds begin to drift in from the west. Those ahead of an approaching storm system that tomorrow night will make its way into the region. Our snow chances arrive Saturday, mainly late morning or afternoon, but through tomorrow night, cloud cover will thicken. Friday looks like a cloudier, breezier day with temperatures in the upper 20s, and again, the snow chances over the weekend itself. And here's what we're expecting. Still early to really pinpoint exact amounts, but what we've been looking at so far is snow arriving late morning into the afternoon. Here's Future Track looking ahead at some of that snow Saturday. The possibility of a couple inches by midnight, and then we'll look ahead into Sunday, still another couple of inches. At this point, it looks like something that would be less than your winter storm warning criteria, so something less than 6 inches of accumulation for the most part. In this case, that would be winter weather advisory, and that's, you're talking 2 to 4, maybe 2 to 5 inches, something like that way of snowfall. That is what we had last weekend across the map, and I think that's the way it's looking right now. Of course, tune in and we'll let you know if anything changes, but that is for the Saturday late morning or early afternoon until early Sunday time frame. And there may be a couple of additional snow showers or flurries Sunday afternoon, but for the most part, most of the snow will be done by mid to late afternoon there over the weekend. Today, a few clouds early, then partly sunny. 16 in Rochester, 14 in Albert Lea, 19 in Mason City, 21 in Winona, with winds light for the north around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, 1 below zero, but a very light northwest breeze, partly cloudy. And here's your forecast for Thursday. Perhaps the sunniest day of the week. Mostly sunny, chilly, a bit of a south breeze around 10, maybe 15 miles per hour at times, and maybe just a little breezier than today in the afternoon, but that's going to help temperatures climb a little more quickly from sub-zero to 19. And outlook for the weekend, seasonably, if not a little bit warmer than the seasonal temperatures, so seasonably chilly with more clouds and sun. Friday, a little bit of a brisk breeze. Saturday, snow mainly in the afternoon, 31 the high there, and then Sunday, snow mainly early in the day, a couple of flakes still possible in the afternoon, with some minor to maybe moderate accumulation over the weekend. Here's a 7-day forecast. Of course, we look ahead to the weekend, and next week, look at the Tuesday, it's Groundhog Day. Punxsutawney Phil has some sunshine. Well, at least we would have sun, but Punxsutawney Phil lives in Pennsylvania. It remains to be seen what kind of weather they will have, but we're looking at a pretty decent Groundhog Day next Wednesday. We're watching a larger system that comes in, and that into Thursday of next week, looking down the field, further afield, down the road there. Possibility of more snow accumulation. Hard to say how big that system's going to be, but it looks like we'll have at least some snowfall Wednesday into Thursday of next week. So we have a couple of doses of snow in store for us next week to 10 days, and more seasonal temperatures. Not as many sub-zero numbers showing up, I think, at this point in the longer term. So hopefully we've turned the corner, and we're going to keep temperatures at least pretty reasonable in the coming days and not bitterly cold. In the meantime, I enjoyed the sunshine. Have a great Wednesday, and we'll see you back here tomorrow for Thursday.